welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are creating this glam look. I hope you all loved it. So without wasting the time, let's get started.
Now we are using the Oriflame face primer. To conceal our eyes, we use Kryolan Ivory base. Blend it very properly. Fix it with Derma Color Fixing Powder. Starting with the light brown color. Give time to the blending. Now use a darker brown shade. Black shade to give smoky effect at the corner. Blend it with this purple pink shade. Now we use glittery purple pink shade. Also blending the underwood line with. Now I am using the Oriflame pen eyeliner. This is Fashion Color Mascara. Now I am filling my eyebrows. Highlight the upper eyeball. Now I am using the Oriflame foundation of my skin tone. Using a light color foundation at the highlighting areas. fixing powder. Now I am lightly contouring my cheeks. All the highlighting areas. Now I am using Huda Beauty peach color lipstick. This is our complete look. I hope you guys loved it. Let's meet up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.